Hi, in honor of Financial Awareness Day on August 14th, I am kicking off my 10-part video series on TFSAs. My name is Annie, welcome to my channel. I'm a certified financial planner and a licensed advisor, and I help make money concepts and strategies easy to understand so you can enjoy your relationship with money and impact more people in a positive way. So let's get started. I'm going to tell you about 5 things that you need to know about the basics of TFSAs. Number 1. What is a TFSA? Well, TFSA stands for Tax-Free Savings Account. The number one thing you need to know is that a TFSA is a registered account. It's a registered investment account. What does that mean? Well, the registered part means that it is registered with the government. And that's an important part for the tax benefits that I'll tell you about in the next few videos. But when it's registered with the government, they can keep track of all the benefits that you qualify for, including your contribution limits and tax benefits and so on. So as soon as you open up a TFSA account, the company that you opened it up with, they register that with the government, and when you do your taxes, you get to report on what you did, what contributions you made or withdrawals, and you report that to the government, and they keep track of that for you. Because it's registered with the government, there are some tax benefits that come with that. Those tax benefits affect the earnings of your investment as well as any withdrawals that you make for a tax-free savings account. Basically what that means is that it's more money in your pocket, so your money works smarter so that you don't have to work harder. Number 2, when did a TFSA start? Well, it started as an incentive in 2009 so that citizens could save more money aside with more tax benefits. What you need to know in order to qualify is if you're a resident of Canada, if you're at least 18 years old, and there's no maximum limit to age. So you could be 89 and open up a TFSA account, okay? And 3, if you have a valid social insurance number. Now the great part is that if you haven't contributed to a TFSA but you were qualified to, don't worry about it. The amount that you could have contributed accumulates and waits for you until you're ready. One last thing, the TFSA can only be in your name only, in an individual name. It cannot be a joint account, so keep that in mind. Number 3, the TFSA, unlike other registered accounts that we have in Canada, like the RSP, the RIF, the LIRA, the LIF, and the FHSA, all have specific purposes for those registered accounts, but not the TFSA. It's a general purpose account, which means that you can use it for anything that you'd like it to. There's no limitations on what you can withdraw it for. There are no limitations for what you can do with that money. For example, an RSP, you may have heard, they have a home buyer's plan, and there are certain limitations and criteria that you have to follow and work with, but not with a TFSA. So it makes it a great general purpose investment account with some tax benefits. And there are many uses for it, no matter your age, no matter your employment, no matter your goals. Number 4, the income that you earn doesn't matter when it comes to what you qualify for in a tax-free savings account. What I mean by that is, whether you're earning income or not, you can still put money aside in a tax-free savings account. Isn't that great? So there's no income qualification for investing your money into a tax-free savings account. What that means is that whether you're a corporate executive, a corporate employee, or whether you're a business owner, or whether you're a student that's 18 years or older, you can put your money into a tax-free savings account. It's kind of like an equal opportunity type of situation. Now, the flip side to that is that because there's no qualifications based on income, you also don't get any tax reduction on your income when you put money into your TFSA. Remember point 1, the tax benefits are based on the earnings within the investment account as well as the withdrawals. And I'll talk about that in a future video. Point number 5, the benefits of a TFSA aren't necessarily immediate, like most investments, but the benefits come later. One of the key benefits is the power of compounding. The easiest way for me to explain this is to think about the power of an orchard. Now, you start an orchard with 1 seed and 1 tree. So you plant your seed, and over time and some nurturing, you water it, you fertilize the soil, that tree starts to grow. and in time, it becomes a tree that bears fruit. Those fruit bear more seeds. You harness those seeds, and then you plant the next year, and in the next year you have that tree that's already started, your first tree, plus the seeds that you got from that you reinvest, and you plant those new seeds now into the earth around it. Before you know it, you've got 5 trees, 10 trees, 30 trees, and so on. So the power of compounding works the same way. You start with 1, and that grows a little bit of fruit. You take the seeds from that fruit, let's call it dividends and interest, that's where your money is starting to make money, and you allow that to grow more money and more money. So the sooner that you start putting money into your tax-free savings account, the better you have a chance of growing your money on itself over time. But the trick there is, you need to give it time. In the next video, we're going to talk about contributions to a TFSA and how that works and how to really benefit from it. Consider it your secret savings stash, except that no one gets a cut, ever. Isn't that amazing? I hope you enjoyed this video, and I look forward to your comments. I do respond to them individually. In the meantime, I'll see you in the next video on contributions to TFSAs. Take care. See you in the next one.